Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can upgrade RAM SSD for it's HP 640 G2. So let's get started. We'll first remove the screws. Now we'll remove the plastic cover. So if it doesn't come out easily, you can use any plastics. I've missed this screw, so I'll remove that. There you go. So that's where the RAM goes. Hard drive goes, and the RAM is here. This is where the battery is. So before we do anything, we'll remove the battery first. If your battery is not good enough, you can change the battery. I'll leave a link from Amazon description on the description, and you'll be able to replace the battery. It's easy. Just remove these screws and just pull it out. And for the RAM and hard drive as well. So if your laptop has a normal hard drive, you can upgrade it to SSD drive. I have a SSD drive here. I'm going to upgrade it to SSD now. This is the one I bought off eBay. So this is a brand new SSD. It will be on the side. So first of all, we'll remove the battery. Battery comes off easily. This is the description if you want to read it, and I will leave a link in the description for battery, RAM and SSD. So this one should have a caddy. This laptop doesn't have a caddy. I'm going to get one of my old ones. Let's see if Lenovo works here. So should fit in here, but it will be a bit of wobbly. We have a M.2 slot here. If you wanna upgrade it to a M.2 SSD, you can do so. I'm just using a normal SSD drive. Normally you would get a screw and you'll have to screw it in. Now the hard drive SSD is in. Now to remove the RAM, you just need to push the silver thing and the RAM will come off. This is a DDR4 RAM. So it says PC4 and it's a 8 GB stick. You can upgrade it to up to 16 GB RAM. So if you get two of these 8 GB sticks, there's a 2 RAM slot here, so you can upgrade it to 16 GB. We'll put RAM back in. So I'm not upgrading the RAM at the moment. It's 8 GB is sufficient for me. Now we'll put the battery back on. Before you remove any component on the laptop, you should always remove the hard drive first. Battery first. Now we have upgraded the hard drive and the RAM, and if you wanna change the battery, you can do so. Put the back panel back on. Just make sure all the corners are clipped in, and then put all the screws back on. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.